Welcome to RAMCO Systems. RAMCO On-Demand ERP Dropshipment. We will now show you how RAMCO On-Demand ERP effectively handles supply chain management techniques like dropshipment. When your customer and supplier are put up close to each other, to cut down on transportation expenses, you can ask the supplier to ship the material to the customer directly. Let us assume that you are a sales manager of a company in Delhi, and your supplier is in Chennai. You receive a request for materials from a customer in Bangalore. In this scenario, it is sensible that you transfer the materials from Chennai to Bangalore directly, without the stock coming to you physically. This type of materials transfer is carried out on a dropshipment. To conduct this, you will need to generate a dropship sales order. You can create a dropship sales order using the Maintain Dropship Sale Order screen. On this screen, you can enter the customer code to auto-populate the customer billing and shipping addresses. This auto-generation of details saves in a lot of time and efforts required for manual entry. You can then enter the necessary item details in the multi-line. Observe that, on entering the item code, the details of the item, including the selling rate, get auto-populated, making the task easier for you. You can then enter other details, such as the quantity required and the date at which you want the shipment to occur. If you want to make any changes in the selling price, you can make them at this stage. Now that you have keyed in all the necessary details, you can click Submit to book the order. When this document is authorized, you can print the same if required. Based on this dropship sales order, you, or your purchase manager, can create the dropship purchase order against this generated sales order in no time. Let us now see how a purchase order should be created. To create this order, you can choose the transaction type purchase. You should enter a relevant supplier code for each item that you want to ship. At this stage, you can also choose to leverage RAMCO On-Demand ERP's effectiveness and precision by using the Help feature to fetch all the supplier details without tiring your memory. When you select an appropriate supplier, all details, such as supplier name, supplier price list, and applicable taxes, are auto-populated. After having recorded all relevant purchase order details, you can just hit the Submit button, and post-authorization you can print the order and send it to your supplier. Now that your sales order and purchase order are created, it is important that you also create a dropship receipt. This can be used as a confirmation to indicate that your material has been received at the customer's location. Dropship receipt can be created based on the acknowledgement you would get from the customer post the transfer of materials. You can create dropship receipt using the Maintain Dropship Receipt screen. Dropship receipt reflects the sale order, the dropship quantity, and the quantity of items pending transfer. When dropship receipt is authorized, based on this document, you can create invoices. Dropshipment allows you to cut costs by eliminating additional inventory and shipping costs, and by creating a positive cash flow cycle. The process also reduces the duplication of efforts required to pick, pack, and ship the goods. The ease of use in handling dropshipment makes RAMCO On-Demand ERP a very effective and sought-after tool in trading verticals. Contact us for a demo at cloud@ramco.com or call us